Hello friends, welcome back to the very video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone guys face lock delete setting. Friends, you want to delete your face lock data, so how to delete face lock data on Oppo phone in this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to delete face lock data on Oppo phone. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on password setting. After on password setting friends, you can see log screen password. Friends, you want to change your log screen password. So friends, you can change your log screen password from here. Friends, click on modify password, and friends, you can change your password. Then enter your old password, and friends, you can select your new password and you can change it. So as I will change here 000, use 000 and use it. So friends, login password will change. Friends, you want to set privacy password, you want to set fingerprint. So enter your password and you can set fingerprint friends. Friends, click on face lock, enter your password and friend draw your pattern. And friends, you can see face lock data. And friends, you want to on your face lock on your app lock and private safe. So when you can on from here. Friends, I will click on delete icon. Friends, you can see delete face, cancel and delete. Friends, face lock data will delete. Friends, you can see we will have to show again face if we use face lock. Friends, you can see face lock data will delete, and friends, we cannot use face lock on our lock screen. So like that friends, you can delete your face lock data on your phone. Friends, you want to use, so again friends, you will have to show your face, enter your password, show your face, continue. Then friends, now you can use your face lock. So like that friends, we can delete face lock data on our phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.